Hey! So meron tayo papuntang Iloilo ba? Alam mo ba yung Iloilo?
Yeah, malayo.
Alam mo ba yung Iloilo? Pag nakainom ka na madami, na Iloilo ka na. Okay guys, so meron tayong for ship out sa Iloilo, dalawang M365. So itong video natin is, tuturuan namin kayo how to assemble the unit. Tama ba?
Yeah.
High five. So, Jake the editor, ASMR ulit tayo. ASMR of the unboxing of the dual M365 1 and 2 dual. Starting from now on, we're gonna speak in English again for the assembly tutorial, okay?
Yes.
Okay? So what is your name?
It's Justin.
You have so many names. Edwin, Beverly, now it's Justin. Yes? Yes? Justin, how old are you, Justin? 13 Wow. Okay. Okay, everybody. So when the unit is out of the box, we have some few items in the list. So number one, we have Allen tools and 4 pieces screw. Again, Allen tools and 4 pieces screw. And the charger and the unit itself, okay? That's everything. Am I right?
Right.
Can you say that's everything?
Everything.
Why so the volume is so low? Can I volume up? Okay, go. Wow, you're like a television, huh? Okay, step 1, don't forget. Hey, what's your name?
My name is Yo.
Yo. Okay, so first step is locate the wire from the handlebar and locate the wire from the front pole. First step is just to connect the both wires. Okay, can you do this, please?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Yes.
once you connect the wires, you can put this inside already. Okay, can you do it, please? Thank you, Justin Bieber. Just do it so, just like that. Okay, once you put that inside, the 2 holes from the front and the rear part will show. Okay, it's easy as that. Easy as 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
ABC. What's the next of ABC?
4. ABCT.
T. ABCT. So amazing, eh? Okay, now is get the screws. Okay, can you show me the screws?
Truth.
Those are what again?
Truth.
Church. Okay, so as you can see, this is the church and this is the Allen tool. Okay, be careful not to lose the screws. Okay. So always remember, righty-tighty and lefty-loosey, okay? That's the universal rule of tightening over things. Righty-tighty and lefty-loosey, okay? Okay, my guys, I have a piece of advice for you guys, okay? So don't tighten the screws first. Just place them all together. And when the screws are already there, you tighten them all together. Huh? So the placement of the screws is properly placed. Okay, now, once the screws are properly placed, please tighten them one by one. There you go. Just righty-tighty. Okay, so as you can see, we're a reliable shop and that can cater to your needs. Am I right, my boy? You're so silent now when we're speaking in English. Okay. Are you finished?
Finish.
High five. Okay. So that's it. That's a tutorial on how you assemble the M365 electric scooter. Approved? Easy as 1, 2, 3, ABC, T, WXG. Very good. Next step, once you assemble the unit already, there is an application for you to download so you can access the settings. Okay? The QR code can be found on the right here. There you go. At the side of the dashboard. That's the first location. And second is on the manual, okay? So the manual, at the last page, there is also a QR code located there. Right there, okay? So you have to scan that and download at the Play or App Store. And this will be the application. It's the mini robot. Okay? Mini robot, okay? And now I will show you on how to operate the mini robot application. So for the QR code, make sure that your Bluetooth is open on your phone and your unit is open also, okay? So once you open the Bluetooth on your phone, and once you open the unit, you will have an access on this application, okay? So as of the moment, we have 2 readings since the 2 units are open, okay? So just pick one. In your case, it will be only one, you know? There. So once I'm in, that will be the screen, okay? So this one is connected, as you can see. Since there is a Bluetooth icon. This has no, okay? So you can access here several settings. Okay, quick run through of the application. We have settings right here. So at the first one, you can choose if metric, in kilometers, or in miles per hour, okay? Let's do metric since in Philippines, that's the most used. Battery capacity, you can see here. Cruise control. So the meaning of cruise control is, what is the meaning of cruise control?
Just hanging around.
Okay. Okay, I will try my best on explaining the cruise control. At an average speed of 5 kph or more, if you are constantly riding at that speed, you can let go of the throttle and the wheel will still accelerate. You understand? Okay, so you can open or close the cruise control there. Then we have the zero start. It means zero start means kick starting, okay? So a while ago we spun the wheel first before accelerating. So when we turn this off, when we turn this on, it already runs. No more zero start. As for the other unit, can you accelerate that unit, bro? You need to spin that first. You see it? Yeah, there. So, can you see the difference? Because I can. Yeah, let go, boy. Let go. See? It has cruise control on. Even Edwin is not pressing the throttle. It's running. That's the cruise control. You understand, boy? So that's the basics. We have... You can also control the modes here, as you can see. It changes right here. Sport, comfort, normal mode. It changes there. You can also turn and off the lights. It's pretty amazing, you know. See? And lastly, there's a list of details here. You can check them out if you want. The mileage of the unit right here. So that's a full guide for the MT65 electric scooter. Approved? Alright guys, so thank you for watching our video. Kung interested kayo bumili, ito yung price list natin as of today. So ito yung date today, tapos ito ang price list natin. Yan yung stock on hand as of this date, no? Ngayon, kung interested kayo bumili, pwede nyo ako message personally. Yung Facebook link ko nasa description below. Tapos, yung shop link namin, andyan din sa baba. Tingnan nyo na yung description natin. And if interested kayo manood ng iba pa naming videos, pwede nyo click yung dalawang to. Pili kayo dyan. Ayan. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Ayan, so... tayo maglusunan, manood lang kayo na manood, and aviate away!